Hey everyone. If you're a student and want to create a professional resume using Kickresume for jobs, internships, or part-time work, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a student resume in Kickresume in 2026. First, go to Kickresume and sign in. You can use email or Google to access your account quickly. Next, choose a simple and clean student-friendly template. I mean, your resume should look professional and easy to read. Now add your personal information. Include your name, phone number, email, and location clearly. Next, write a short career objective. Mention your study field and your career goals in a simple and focused way, then add your education details. For students, this is the most important section of your resume, so make it clear and updated. Next, include your skills and activities. I mean, add communication skills, computer skills, and any clubs or volunteer work. Finally, keep everything simple and professional. Don't overload your resume with unnecessary information. So, yeah, that's how students can create a resume in Kickresume. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a professional resume for internships or jobs easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more student tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!